Hello friends, let's celebrate National Science Day. Do you know why we celebrate National Science Day? In 1921, our physicist V.Raman was on board a ship. They saw water. One question arose in his mind: why the sea is blue? After many theories, in March 1928, he published a theory that is Raman effect, means scattering of light by molecules of gases, liquid, or solids. Sky is blue because seawater molecules absorb all color instead of blue. Blue color has shorter wavelength but high in frequency. For this discovery, he got Nobel Prize in Physics. To mark this discovery, we celebrate National Science Day on 28th February every year. Let's do experiments. Ask the right question, and nature will open the door of secrets. Sir C.V. Raman.